Hello guys, welcome to this brand new video on creating your GitHub account and activating it for uploading any videos or any content on it so that anyone can view globally, so they can hire you from this GitHub account also. So first of all you have to maintain one email. So here I'm taking like recorded purpose at the rate gmail.com. So actually I am having already a GitHub account, that's why I am going to take another email. So search GitHub on this your browser. So you'll get a landing page like this. So click on sign up. Yeah, it will show already have an account. So if you are already having an account, please go with the sign in. So I am not having, that's why I am entering a password. So they are asking to enter a password. I'm entering some random password. So you have to enter some. Yeah, I'm entering username like Manyam Sanjay or my start company name, Totelligence Solutions. Yes. Testing. Continue. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. They're asking to verify. So they're asking to pick one square that shows two identical objects. Yeah. This is the one, it is showing some identical objects. Yeah. The one more thing is this one. Yes. These are the simple questions which robot cannot solve, only human can solve. So that's why it asks. So it is asking to the code, verification code. Yeah, 168 168 uh, 16696 11696. Yes, we have completed. Now it is asking for how many team members. You can click just for me, and I am a student. Continue. I will use this for collaborative coding and also automation and CI/CD pipelines needed for this project management. Yeah, as of now that one. Let me continue. Go with the free version. Yeah. So now your GitHub account has been created. So that's it, guys. So this is how we used to create any GitHub account. So now let me creating a GitHub account is easy, but you have to customize some of the things. So let me show. So go to your profile, and the first thing is you have to update your logo. Yeah, that will be very nice. So I'm going to update company's logo only because I have given that name. Yeah, logo will be given, and yeah, it is checking for the logo. uh, yeah, public email already it has been taken. Yeah, it is an something something bio you have to give. Something I have given, pronouns nothing. URL you have to give something like you will be having some of the uh, portfolio, like that. You have to give your email. Sorry, you have to give something like your logo like that. Yeah. So this is my website, totelligence.in. Yes, that exactly. I'm giving that URL. So if you are having any social accounts also, you can give. Yeah, company that is Totelligence. Location not that much needed. You have to update your profile. Yes, the logo not updated. Let me click again. Yeah, set new profile picture. Yes, exactly. Our picture has been updated. Yeah. Uh, Save job profile. Yeah. As of now, this is the setting you have to do. So then go to the repositories. Go to the repositories. Let me refresh. Then our logo also will be. My logo has not been refresh. Yeah, it will take some time. Yeah, if you want to create any repository and you have to maintain some of the code base in your GitHub account, you have to fork from any one of the already existing account. Like let me show let me show my already existing GitHub account. uh, yes, so if you search my name in the YouTube, Google, it will show all the repositories. So if you want to fork, like if you need something like let me take uh, which one will be taking, yeah, student examination system at console level. So I'm going to fork this one. I'm going to fork this one. See, what is the like what are the git commands. I'll be completely I'll be explaining in the further videos. So now in this video, we'll get to know how to install and how to set up your GitHub, how to create your GitHub account, and then how to upload some of the repositories. So I have forked this one from my parent GitHub account. So that's why I'm able to see this in my repository, and you can start also this one, and you can start this one. So now how to create our own repository. So so let me give a testing repo. Yeah, testing repo. And you can create like private, or you can add readme. And also if you are having any something like git ignore, so leave that. Will be explaining further in the upcoming series on GitHub. So let us see how to put it. Yeah, we have created one of the repository. We have created one of the repository, and we have to upload something. Yeah, choose file. Let me upload my resume itself. I have uploaded one of my resume. And also if we need something like mm, yeah, one of the sample code, like that has been written in any Python. Yeah, so this manage.py. Manage.py is an Python file. So you can see here. See, so readme.md updated, resume.pdf, manage.py has been updated. So if you want to see some of the code, yeah, see, exactly. So this is what you need now. All your code has been uploaded in the GitHub, so that all over the world anyone can see your code. So that actually, why many companies used to uh, ask people to have an GitHub account means, so this is the main reason, like collaboratively working. Yeah. And also the one thing, what is mean by collaboratively working means, so we can add collaborators to this repository, so that yeah, I am searching my uh, Sanjay Kumar Reddy. Yes. So I'm adding this to my repository. If I approve this invite link, so I'll be getting complete access through this repository also. So so what is the use of getting complete access to the repository means collaboratively so if you are working on a team, you have to upload something so team members some members will be on back end, some members will be on front end, so that they will be eligible to upload all the things which the work they have done. And also you can see the workflow so if it is in the green, if it is the green color, so that means it has been added. So something it will be in the a day, a red color means so something will be deleted. So that it is not will be discussed in this video. So let us have another video in the same channel. You'll be getting another video like how to create repositories using Git, not GitHub, Git. Yeah, let me show that one also. Let me show the demo. So you have to copy this HTTPS code, and then you have to create an like a create an folder, testing clone, testing clone. Yeah. So here, open your Git bash. Yeah, you may have doubt what is that Git bash, what is that Git. So as of now, please go with this normal GitHub creation. From the next video onwards, you'll be I'll be showing how to create this Git also. So first of all, have this. Yeah, I'm cloning Git clone my this repository. Yes, what is that? What is that repository? One second. Yeah, this one. So what it contains: readme.mt, updated resume, manage.py. If you can see, if you can see all the documents which we have been came here. Yeah, this is one of the miracle that we can do, because so this is what we need now. Actually, when we go somewhere usually we used to download using this one. Am I right? So if we need any code, so we used to download any download chip. So now that is not the case here. We can directly clone. We can directly clone by copying this and pasting in the uh, in the Git bash account. So in the next video, I'll explain how to create Git bash and how to use this all the GitHub like Git clone, Git add, Git commit. Everything I'll be explaining in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.